Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about testing a CNC 4014 3-blade prop on the G30. If my math, logic, and questionable decision making are correct, I should lose some top speed but gain more torque, a stronger hole shot, and better handling overall. So basically less zoom and more grunt. I'm also happy to report that I currently have another G30 baking in the oven. Don't worry, no actual ovens were harmed in the making of this boat. This is my first wood boat ever, and surprisingly, it's not that hard as long as you actually read the instructions instead of skimming like a professional. This time around, I'll be running a more appropriate power system. Because the motor in today's video, let's just say, is a little large and a little heavy. Overkill? Maybe. Fun? Definitely. And before we send it, I want to give a huge thank you to my subscribers. You guys are the reason I keep doing this, and the reason why I keep buying boat parts instead of saving money. Alright, enough talking. Let's get to the video before I change something and break it. Enjoy, guys.
Pool noodles with inside the inside pipes, so that it crabs the boat because the boat's too low.
Jesus, it's fast. Wow.
So even with the batteries not giving it their all, and a slight hit in top speed, I'm honestly impressed with how much punch the 3-blade prop added to the G30. The acceleration is way stronger, and it just feels more aggressive overall. I did notice I'm flipping a lot more than usual, so if you're watching closely, drop a comment and let me know. 3-blade problem or 100% driver skill issue? I think we all know the answer. So if you enjoyed this run, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the new upcoming G30 build that's almost finished. It's shaping up to be something really cool, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.